Oh, coffee. Open daily 8 to 5. I'm gonna stop on the way back. Seriously. Right? We are now headed towards the most southern point in the United States of America. Also, oh wow, look at that freaking house.
Whoa!
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
And also the most southern point in the state of Hawaii. On the island of Hawaii, on the state of Hawaii.
Thanks.
This place rocks. We have 10 miles to go before we get to this godforsaken place.
Doing some off-roading here.
Not yet.
I mean, it's not really too bad, but
Right one or the left one?
right one.
Michael went up this super steep
Who?
acid. Michael from here.
Oh, I
It's like
remember.
little, what is it called? Little, you know what? He
The
went up
thing he had.
So
I remember that one.
dense.
The little tracker?
We got
Yeah.
stuck.
But did you hear us slip much today?
No.
And these are shit tires.
I'm like, he went up really steep acid. I was freaking out. I was like, oh my god, we're gonna fall back. We're dying.
Yep, that's bad.
Oh my god. Dust is in my eyes, guys. This is bad. Look what I'm walking through. Look at this. All to get to green sand. It's crazy. The waves here, guys. Guy just jumped off the cliff. Holy crap.
I don't know what he did.
Guys, down there was some huge waves. Like crazy. I haven't been in anything bigger than that. It was awesome. It's awesome. We're
Oh my god, Jaden. Did you catch that on film?
I'll be right back. As I was saying, Cole, what flavors did you get?
Raspberry, banana, and dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle. Don't ask what Dreamsicle is, folks. Daniela, what did you get?
I got raspberry, cherry, and
Raspberry.
cotton candy.
Cotton candy. I got raspberry and grape. So we got some shaved. Wait, let me put this down. Shaved ice, which is basically a snow cone, but in a bowl. Good stuff.
Shaved ice a la Hawaii. Why? Why, Jaden?
Daniela literally told me to close it. She's like, "Don't forget to close." Sorry. When? Well, I just took a manly shit. Never mind. Everyone.
I'm not gonna do anything. You have to do it the other way. You gotta start from this side.
It's fucking retarded.
Wow, that was.
My father is trying to do a panorama.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Well, guys, we're watching the sunset in front of the ocean. It is slowly setting. It's about a quarter set. And yeah, that's it. Everybody is taking pictures. And this is me just chilling, relaxing, enjoying life. And
Oh wow.
you know, to me, like, these are like the little things that just make me
Listen.
happy.
Listen.
What?
You hear the conch shell. The conch shell.
I don't know what a conch shell is. Who hears that? I don't. All of a sudden, folks, the sun is pretty much gone. Okay, guys, we're in Hawaii, but good old Subway still pulls through every time.
Or do you want to have Mexican?